Chapter 5. Digital Security and Privacy in the Digital World. Security and privacy are as important as in real life. Protecting your personal data and knowing how to defend yourself against online threats is essential for a peaceful and secure digital experience. This chapter addresses best practices for safeguarding your information. Protecting your personal data. Your personal data is valuable and must be protected. In the online environment, information such as your name, address, phone number, email, and bank details can be targets of fraud attempts or identity theft. Adopting robust security measures is the best way to protect yourself. Importance of privacy. Online privacy means having control over who can see and use your personal information. When sharing data online, whether on social media, forums, or purchases, it is important to be aware of how this information will be used. Strong passwords. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. A password should be long, ideally 12 or more characters. Complex. Contain a mixture of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, such as @ hash, $. Unique. Do not use the same password for different accounts. If one is compromised, the others will be safe. Easy for you to remember. Decult for others. Avoid birth dates, family names, or common words. Think of phrases that only you understand, such as, "My dog barks 3 times a day." How to create and manage strong passwords. 1. Use a password manager. Applications like LastPass or 1Password can generate and save strong passwords for you, requiring you to remember only one master password. 2. Change passwords regularly. Change your most important passwords, email, bank, every 3 to 6 months. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. In addition to your password, a second verification method is required, such as a code sent to your mobile phone or a fingerprint. Even if someone discovers your password, they will not be able to access your account without the second factor. How to enable 2FA. 1. Many online services, email, social media, banks offer the option to enable 2FA in their security settings. 2. Look for two-factor authentication or two-step verification and follow the instructions. Protecting your personal data is an ongoing process. By adopting these practices, you will be taking important steps towards a safer digital life. Identifying and avoiding online fraud. Online fraud is a constant threat in the digital world. Knowing the most common types of fraud and how to identify them is crucial to protecting your money and personal information. We have already covered phishing, but there are other forms of fraud. Common types of online fraud. Phishing. As we have already seen, these are attempts to obtain personal information through fake emails, messages, or websites that impersonate legitimate entities, banks, public services, etc. Smishing. This is phishing done through SMS messages. You receive a text message with a malicious link or a request to call a fake number. Vishing. This is phishing done through phone calls. The scammer tries to convince you to reveal personal information or perform actions such as bank transfers under false pretenses. Technical support scams. You receive a call or a pop-up message on your computer saying that you have a serious technical problem and need to call a support number. The goal is for you to give them remote access to your computer or pay for unnecessary services. Inheritance or lottery scams. You receive an email or message saying that you have won a large sum in a lottery you did not participate in, or that you are entitled to an inheritance from a distant relative. They ask for money in advance for fees or administrative costs. How to identify and avoid fraud. Be suspicious of offers that are too good to be true. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Check the source. Whenever you receive a request for information or an offer, verify the authenticity of the source. Contact the entity directly through OSHAL channels, phone, website, and do not use the contacts provided in the suspicious message. Do not click on suspicious links or open attachments. As already mentioned, links and attachments from unknown sources can be dangerous. Never share sensitive information. Banks, public services, or other legitimate entities will never ask for passwords, access codes, or credit card numbers by email, SMS, or phone. Beware of pressure. Scammers try to create a sense of urgency for you to make hasty decisions. If you feel pressured to act quickly, be suspicious. Stay informed. Pay attention to news about new types of fraud and share this information with your friends and family. How to report fraud. If you are a victim or identify an attempted fraud, it is important to report it. 1. To the authorities. Contact the Polícia Judiciária or the GNRPSP, or APAV, the Portuguese Association for Victim Support, Portuguese authorities. 2. To your bank. If fraud involves your bank account, contact your bank immediately. 3. To the platforms. If fraud occurred on a social network or online platform, use the platform's own reporting tools. Being vigilant and informed is the best defense against online fraud. Software updates and antivirus. Keeping your software updated and using antivirus software are crucial steps to ensure the security of your device and data. These measures protect you against the latest threats and keep your system running efficiently. Importance of software updates. Software manufacturers, such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, and application developers, regularly release updates for their products. These updates are not just for adding new features. Many contain important security fixes that close doors that cybercriminals could exploit to access your device or data. Ignoring updates is like leaving your house door open. How to keep software updated. 1. Operating system. Your smartphone, tablet, or computer will notify you when updates are available for the operating system. iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS. It is highly recommended to install them as soon as possible. 2. Applications. Applications also receive updates. You can configure your App Store or Play Store to automatically update applications or do it manually from time to time. 3. Internet browser. Keep your browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, always updated as it is your main gateway to the Internet. Antivirus usage. Antivirus software is a security program that detects, prevents, and removes malicious programs, malware, such as viruses, trojans, and spyware from your device. It is an essential layer of protection, especially for computers. For computers, install antivirus. There are free and paid options. Windows, for example, already comes with Windows Defender, which is a good starting point. Keep it updated. The antivirus program needs to be updated regularly to recognize the latest threats. Most programs do this automatically. Perform regular scans. Schedule automatic scans or do them manually to detect and remove threats. For smartphones and tablets. Generally, smartphones and tablets are more secure against viruses than computers, especially if you download applications only from OSHAL stores, App Store, Play Store. However, there are security applications you can install for additional protection, if desired. By keeping your software updated and using antivirus, you will be building a robust defense against digital threats, ensuring that your online experience is as secure as possible. Conclusion. We have reached the end of our journey through the simplified digital world. We hope this guide has been a useful companion and has helped you to demystify technology, making it an ally in your daily life. Digital life offers a universe of possibilities to stay connected, informed, and entertained, and your curiosity and willingness to learn are the keys to unlocking its full potential. Remember that learning is a continuous process. The digital world is constantly evolving, with new tools and functionalities emerging every day. Don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and make mistakes. Every small step is a victory, and every new discovery is an opportunity to enrich your life. Continue to practice the skills you have learned, explore new applications and services, and share your experiences with friends and family. Technology is a bridge that connects us, and by mastering it, you will be building more bridges for your own well-being and for those around you. We are confident that, with this guide and your dedication, digital life will be increasingly simple, secure, and rewarding for you. Congratulations on your journey, and continue to enjoy all the wonders the online world has to offer.